jump up in the air, them in the water, wash out here. I said, that's so nice. I can't believe it. So beautiful. Then he picked the guy mad house. Then the boy Zozo him now get up every day. Your back brakes bend up. Your back wheel puncture. Your front wheel tear off. Your spokes in your bicycle then turn crossway. You this, you that. Every day the little ugly pitney get up and cuss. Favor made or you fuck. Every time I see him, I watch Cars. Cars used to be one of my favorite like a movie them when me a youth, you know. Me go a Bumbleclad carry go watch it. I like Cars. You understand what me a deal with? Yep. So when me see look a funny teeth boy, at first I wasn't gonna fuck around him because at the end of the day, the fuck remote boy did they get the girl better. So we are sympathize with the rusty nail teeth, blood clot boy. Pussy hole teeth, they look like a man them will come in a wrong turn. You know them, the man they want name people and shit. A man teeth, they coming like a man them in a hills of eyes. You see me? That scary show there. You know the man when we come in a Spider-Man sitting. Venom. He man have some blood clot venom teeth with the same tongue in our head, you know, my boy. I mean, I say, Jesus Christ. Yeah, alright. God bless your soul. Can you make it pitney better? What do you me look to blood clot? I made her that. Missy made her. Made her a cuss. Everybody. Oh, he picked the one lion for his birthday. And at this one do. Who think so you can't get away with this? We soon give everybody lion. If you go buy car and bike, house and land, tin milk, red cornflakes. Everybody, Mr. Rasclat. Me here, brick turn around. All I want is 2 mango and 2 Joan plum and little Cersei. Wickedness yard. Wickedness yard. You see what people walk up here? And them little thing them people walk up here. Me say fitness say all in one. 2 mango, you know. 2 Joan plum. That's a Cersei, you know. And me say rusty mouth boy. The side of a yam up himself. Why? You think I say go? I know me not see one Zeus. I know me not see one lion. You allow no pussy. Me not see no night ranker then come. I know me not see no interstellar. Me say, boy, TikTok really a stress out people. Eh? Look how TikTok a stress out people. Me say dog see lion them a run cross other people scream I want it. Eh? You fi go sit down. Every day you get up and you take up this cussing like so you don't feel like say cussing I just it alone. You don't feel like you just get up every day and just a cuss. You don't cuss with nothing be a night. No do no research. No do nothing. You don't just get up, join one live, see one nigga. Hey, thinking pussy girl. Hey, you dirty girl. You don't know this woman from nowhere. Yankee girl when I understand nothing what you say. You thinking girl look like you sell pussy. Now say thinking girl. Oh, this become content, I don't know. I don't want nobody blame this for me. Said Dana, you did a cuss first. Me do topics. If it don't make no sense, me no come make nice about it. The whole I wanna get up, especially that brown mouth boy. Yeah. You thinking Zozo with your mouth brown like khaki suit to blood clot. Every time you open your mouth to blood clot, it look like if your mama used to chew blood clot coffee in your mouth from your young, from your teeth. Them a chew coffee for your teeth, them a get them rusty so with your blood clot engine oil mouth. I eat me a talk about. You get up, you know no substance. You don't know where you are cuss about. You just a cuss. And then them you fly but you think old girl ya. Get up just a send gift. Go do what? You just get up and make up be a blood clot nice. This that what the fuck you really a cuss for you fucking mental patient? You just get up and make nice. You just get up a cuss. You don't see no topic. You don't see nothing. You don't see you had a co-worker them. You thinking co-worker. Tavi this, tavi that. You drunk, Ray. How that is content? You no go find sitting do with the blood clot views what you say. The amount of topic out there, none of you do them, but you get up with your blood clot khaki mouth. Every day attack of your thinking mouth. Like you want a little boy, they were always in a devotion when the anthem a blood clot sing. Attack, see you here. Dog tapping eyes. You don't hear the blood clot anthem. Put you under your bumbo clot side and shut your mouth, youth. Before you make them draw you out of devotion, shut your mouth, youth. Lock your mouth, dog. Kind of make them tell me out. You that. Lock your stinking sour blood clot mouth. This little thing you make you feel like you a vlogger, you is nothing. Go and suck your mama. Because every blood clot there, me get up now, me see it. Come play this night and shining horror. I love you. I want to marry you. I want to bring you up a yacht, go suck out your pussy and fuck you. Yes, me go wash your hair. Me see I wash Britany, but don't have any hair. You're washing skull, you fuck me, rate that. Why you never stick to washing off in skull? Why you never do that? You get up every day with your brown mouth. Your mouth rusty like your blood clot. Reeling them where they pan the pussy clot all school them. Dog shit. I want to make them people that cost on the phone the money. When it's an idiot. When you not gonna make them stop it? Want to make them feel so fucking entitled. Eh? Them give me pain in my soul. Heart. Not even my body will not in peace because of them drunk crier. Then you have one another one. He body man one. Mighty God. Foot I did right. Happy your body man there. When you ain't ticky. First of all, you not ticky. You can't cuss with no girl like me, you know. Me. Ticky me can't go up on any plane no more and go anywhere. In the fucking world. If I got Germany tomorrow, me can go. And come back, yes, sir. You see, before me tell you about your big, stinking, dirty, blood-clad, faggot, so-good self, make me tell you first. Why you can't trace with a girl like me? And me buy this here for myself, my bed. Everything in my house, me buy that. Me no worth for nothing in here. Me pay my own bills. Me pay everything for myself. Every blood-clad thing. You understand what I deal with? Good. You see, me a progressive sodomite. One lesbian with things. You understand me I did? Me a no low life, dirty blood clot drunker like you. As someone don't make no sense and them people I couldn't feel like you suck me now. Remember say you're drunker, you could never be a blood clot hummingbird. Not a pussy clot all where you do no funny. You're the biggest disgrace for your body, man. Me used to think of she bad. But all what go on, you know. She be kind of have class, you know. I don't like that dry up body man. He look like what I dry up certificate you got foreign. Me don't like him. But when you look on blood clot Tiki, the biggest disgrace to blood clot mankind. Tiki you dunce. You can never be a CNA, you can never be a RN. You can't be nothing more than a body man where you be a hood alone you can't suck. And sell your stinking body hole where your mama push you out here. If you can give your grandpit but you take man. You can't do nothing with that mouth, the mother make man fuck you in night and come in night because you're dirty non-progressive waste boy. Big stinking rusty boy. Look like you need one or two before if you clot you cross your face. Me don't know how man take up themselves and fuck dog shit like you. Me don't know how man cocky rise up for some big rusty old dirty man like you. You big and thick and rusty like blood clot all. You look like blood clot rusty nail. Me don't know why they not spray some double D40 pan you make you feel look better. No big waist so good trunk back nasty long seed man like you. Can't bumbo clot cuss with nobody. You too blood clot ugly and your mouth too big. Your teeth then scatter in your mouth like what we scatter can fi fall nyam. You fi move your pussy clot. Go jump back over the blood clot fence. No for no missy jump cross the fence. Don't make a sense in the people in country. Go and go volunteer to chum say you want to leave here. Because you no make no blood clot sense you need a little one where you call your boyfriend. When he call himself, I don't care a blood clot. It won't a big disgrace. No wonder the people in the always want to kill Jamaica, but him and sodomite them. Who no make Jamaica no blood clot better. Me see big girl, sodomite and Batman a foreign, then now go on so. We have the worst Batman and sodomite who not dunce. Uno can't read. Uno not reach nowhere in a life. Not a bumbo clot thing. Remember what you come across the border about. I'm gonna go turn an orange so I can take care of my mother. I'm gonna turn an R. You can't read. Dunce batty man. If you never saw dunce, there is no way you would have met man a impale your batty wall and a shift your seed. If you never saw blood clot dunce, you would not guac with beer cocky down your throat. Man a impale your tonsil with cocky.